guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey, hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? This is the 4th episode of Skinny Sundays. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, yes, you clicked on this video for toners, but I've launched a series on my channel called Skinny Sundays. We talk about different skincare topics. Instead of making one big skincare video, I decided to break it up into sections. So this episode, we are talking about toners. If you've missed the rest of the episodes, don't worry, I got you. Check it out in this playlist up here on my Skinny Sundays and get caught up, girl, get caught up. So we're gonna be all over the place with Skinny Sundays, but today we're talking about toners. Toners, do we need them? What are toners? So you might know what toners are, but some people don't. So on my 2nd episode of Skinny Sundays, we've talked about cleansers. What do you do after the cleanser, girl? Put moisturizer on? So this is the step right after cleansers. You may not be familiar with it. Some people do it, some people don't. But I did want to talk about it on my channel because I feel like this step is important. All my steps I feel like are important, but this one specifically definitely has changed a lot of things on my skin. Different things that you use will help change the texture of your skin, but toners are essential, girl. So the cleansers, y'all know I always got multiple ones because I'm a product junkie, but that's not the point. The point is not to focus on the brands that I'm talking about. I hope you guys are getting the gist of what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna touch base on 3 of my faves. So this first one right here is my Perricone MD Intensive Pore Minimizer. We'll talk about this one. We're also gonna be talking about this one, my Caudalie. You guys know how I feel about Caudalie. I've mentioned them before. And this one we're also gonna talk about, which is this one is pretty new. I've just tried this one, but I do want to make mention to this one today as well. All right guys, so the first one that I use is my Perricone MD, and I don't use these all in one day. No, I don't. It just depends on your skin needs. I did talk about that before, but you have to figure out what your skin needs. So just to be clear, toners are the step after your cleanser. You wash your face, you cleanse it all. So toners are the ones that are going to add that pH balance back into your skin, remove those last traces of dirt after you cleanse your face. It's also going to help minimize your pores, and it also helps with the appearance of your pores and the tightness of your skin. So this one is my Pore Intensive Pore Minimizer. I do like this one, and the way you apply a toner is very simple. I used to apply it with just a regular cotton, but I noticed that I think the cotton makes a difference. Y'all comment below and let me know if you're using toners and if you feel like it makes a difference. But I got these exfoliating cotton pads from Target. They sell them at CVS, any kind of exfoliating cotton pads. I like them because one side is kind of like just regular cotton and the other side has this kind of rigid effect going on here. So I feel like it does help with kind of removing some of those extra traces of those dead cells on your skin. So I cleansed my face already. Yes girl, I put on my eyebrows. We don't play around here on this channel. Your eyebrows are necessary to talk to the people, okay? So you just put it on your cotton pad. I'll usually do about 2 dabs and just kind of work it in and just wipe it on your face. So you'll notice like some traces left on your cotton. That's okay. That's the whole point of the toner. So different toners have different ingredients. My Caudalie one, this one has salicylic acid. Some of them do have that salicylic acid. So depending on also what you're trying to accomplish with your skin, you want to look for certain ingredients. If you have more acne prone skin, salicylic acid is good, hyaluronic acid is good, or benzoyl peroxide. That's good for more acne prone skin. It causes like a tingling on your skin, but it's good, girl. It's good. It's gonna help with them pores. It's gonna help remove those last traces of the makeup, the dirt. Yes, cleansing your skin is good, but the toner really helps remove all of that and prepares it for the next level of either your moisturizer, your serum, or your essence, okay? So I use my Caudalie one because it does have that salicylic acid in it. I like to use this when I'm noticing more breakouts on my skin because it does like help tighten up those blemishes. But Any toner is good. There's a lot of good ones that are sold in drugstores, but like I told you guys before, because I'm getting older, I just felt like I wanted different kind of products for my skin. But whatever you use is fine. Just pay attention to the ingredients, okay? Rose water is even good for like a toner. It also helps with those pores. It's gonna shrink your pores, and you want your pores to be shrunk because you don't want the dirt to get in there, girl, to get more blemishes. It's gonna restore the pH. It's gonna refresh your skin, and it also sometimes acts as a moisturizer. This one that I just got, this Glow Recipe one, I like this one because I noticed that it kind of does both, that it does tighten my pores. It's also kind of like hydrating. Like, let me show y'all what this is looking like. So this Glow Recipe one, I noticed the consistency is a little bit thicker. It's kind of like it's more gooey. It is liquid, but it is more gooey. Oh, I'm spilling it all over the place, girl. So I'll put it on this side. This one right here, I do like it because it smells good. It smells like watermelon, girl. It shrinks your pores. It helps add a little bit of moisture to your skin. And moisture is good for your skin. I know I used to think that just because like I had somewhat oily skin, I didn't need to add moisture and all of that, but your skin actually produces more oil because you're not adding the moisture and pH and stuff that you need to add to your skin. So think about that. Look it up. Look it up. So this one right here, my skin, I like it because my skin is more dewy with this one, with this Glow Recipe one. This one is good too. It's more like clarifying, and any toner is good, okay? Just look at the ingredients of what you're trying to accomplish with your skin. But the main thing that I want you guys to get from this video is that the toner is used for the reducing the pores, clarifying, getting out those last traces of the dead cells, adding a little bit of moisture, restoring your pH back into the skin, and it's gonna clarify your skin. It's gonna open it up, and it's gonna prepare it for the next steps of your skincare routine. I know I'm wearing my Ellen shirt. No, this is not the Ellen show. Don't judge me, girl. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this video. Let me know which toners you guys like. What are your faves? Do you add it to your step? Will you consider it now after this video? Whatever the case is, let's chat. I appreciate you guys for tuning in every Sunday to the Skinny Sundays. And we'll talk about moisturizers and serums and layering. Also, like, what you eat makes a difference on your skin. Until next time, beauties, I'll talk to you later. Bye.